the dumbest
girl in the class proposed to me, and she turned me down again in front of everyone. The girl is stupid, a little crazy and a little student. She doesn't come with a new hairstyle like all the other girls in the varsity. She doesn't even wear an expensive watch or wear makeup. No, the girl always dresses the same in class. A cheap black belt watch on his hand, a small black tip on his forehead and a pair of narrow-framed glasses. The girl's hair is always braided and lightly oiled. When it comes to dressing up, she wears white and black clothes more. Don't wear stylish shoes and don't style like all girls. No one ever proposed to him for this Shri. He was always engrossed in reading. He could be found secluded in the corner of the college yard or on a side of the library. So many beautiful boys kept coming, but Ruhani aka Ruhi never looked back at them. Her eyes always wandered over the pages of the book. But no one thought that this light brown girl would ever propose to me. The girl is very strange. He had feelings for me, but I never found his whereabouts. Yes, guys don't have sixth sense like girls, but they can at least understand if a girl likes them. When Ruhi proposed me, everyone in the college fell out of the sky because even liking someone takes time, which Ruhi never had. It is beyond anyone's idea that a brilliant student like Ruhi would propose to a boy like me who passed in Tenatun. I was loved by everyone for my beauty in college, but somehow I passed Tenatun in my studies. Everyone thought that I would reject a dark-skinned girl like Ruhi, even for my beauty. But I threw water at their idea. I took Ruhi's hand in mine and kissed her gently. I promised her that she would stay in my heart forever. I accepted her as a pale Mayawati. From that day on, it was the beginning of our loving feelings. Years have changed, time has changed. I have also changed, but Ruhi has not changed. He still likes to dress up as usual. Thanks to Ruhi, I have improved in my studies. Even though everything has changed, our love has not changed. It is the same as it was on the first day of our relationship. Every day we get to know each other anew. Those who thought I was in a relationship with Ruhi for time past have been proved wrong. Ruhi is still in my heart. Even today she is my fading beauty. We were the most talked about couple in college. We kept talking. After a long relationship of 6 years, I got married for love, and today I have entered 5 years of married life. Life is still as colorful as the first day of our relationship. Day by day we are becoming complementary to each other.